Hi everyone, after working in the tech field for more than 15 years now, and after building more than 50 AI tools and projects, I can tell you, if you want to thrive in the AI era in 2025 and beyond, you should learn these three fundamental skills that I will share with you right now. If you are ready, let's get started. This video is sponsored by Skillshare. Skill number one is simply problem solving. Memorize this sentence. It is not about coding and development, it's about problem solving. Let me show you exactly what I mean with an example, with a practical example I did last week. Last week on Twitter X, I announced this 90-day content challenge. So for the next 9 days, 3 months, I'll be publishing content on different social platforms from Twitter, LinkedIn, Medium, Reddit, Quora, much more. As you can see here, the thread, I mentioned every day what I'm doing. And if you'd like to join, go follow up me on this thread. I will leave the link in the description below. Anyway, one of the main tasks in this challenge is to engage on LinkedIn and Twitter. So every day for like 20 minutes, I need to engage with posts on LinkedIn and Twitter. So I thought about how I can make this easier, how I can solve the problem of wasting too much time on engaging. So I came up with this solution. I'm sure you will love it. For example, if I am here on Twitter and I want to reply to this guy here, I want to engage with, what I did, if you open now the comment box, you will see this small button here. This is something I developed, a Chrome extension. If I click now, based on my thoughts and my data, it will generate a reply with AI in seconds. The same on LinkedIn. If you go here, I want to reply to this person, for example, click on comment, you will see the same button here. I just click and it will reply to this comment based on my own thoughts. You can see here the back end is my own prompts and my own data that's using to generate this content. So this helps me engage super fast on LinkedIn and Twitter, and I'm planning to scale this on different platforms. And by the way, soon I'll be sharing with you this extension for free after I finish testing and publishing. So if you go here to Chrome, manage extensions, you will see this simple extension here, quick reply. This is something I developed. So this is exactly a great example of a solution to a specific problem. It is not complex, but it solves a real problem. And by the way, a small secret, I never developed a Chrome extension in my life. I did all this with AI, and I will show you in a little bit how I did this, how I developed this extension. And here where it comes, skill number 2. And speaking of learning the right skills and AI, on Skillshare you will find 2 courses I published, one on building AI agents totally from scratch so you can understand the core concepts, and the other on building AI tools on WordPress, going step by step till you have your first tool online on WordPress. This is really amazing, a system I developed, and I'm sure you will love it. Skillshare is one of the largest online learning communities out there, with thousands of classes covering almost everything from design, illustration, to marketing, business, freelancing, and even programming and development. There is something for everyone. And the best part, I've partnered with Skillshare, so the first 500 people to click the link in the description below will get 30-day free access to all Skillshare courses and lessons. This is a great opportunity for you. Go now, sign up, join, and start shaping your future. Thank you Skillshare for this offer, and thank you for supporting my ad-free videos. Let's now go back to skill number 2. The second skill is learning about AI tools, AI agents. What can AI do and what are the limitations? Just go to Google here and search for AI tools aggregators, for example, and you'll find a lot of websites like futuretools.io, like AI top tools, like top AI tools, a lot of aggregators where you can find AI tools on, and 99% of these tools will have free trials, so you have no excuse. Just go there. For example, if you want to see what's there in the generative video niche, you can find a lot of tools in this section. Just open them and test. Like dedicate like 10 to 20 minutes every day to test new AI tools and agents and see the power of AI. And you'll see in seconds the power of AI for me in developing tools and online projects. So the idea is to understand the power of AI and the limitations so you can find solutions and new ideas to develop. It may be your next business idea. For example, if you go here and open tubedigest.com, it's a project I developed totally with AI from scratch. And by the way, it's on WordPress. Other projects is definewise.com. Other free project like a visual dictionary for people learning English. For example, let's say dog. It will give you definitions with an image about the word so anyone can learn visually. It's totally free. You can go test it now. YouTube, DefineWise, another application for summarizing and turning YouTube videos into educational content. For example, this video, like 50 minutes, you can save 49 minutes just reading the summary, turning this into a quiz, flashcards, study notes, terminologies, everything extracted from this YouTube video. Again, these tools are fully developed with AI. Let me show you my exact setup and the power of AI in developing tools today. If I open now VS Code, you will see here I have an extension called Klein, this simple chat bot. Let's open a folder just to show you a quick demo. And now again here in Klein, what we can do simply and click on this plan feature and tell this AI bot what do you want to develop. For example, I want to build a Python script to summarize YouTube videos, for example. Summarize. Enter. Now this extension, powered with AI, will set a full plan to develop your project. Text summary. It will ask you some questions. How would you like this tool to be, this project? Then it will show you the full plan and simply it asks you to toggle the act mode, this one. Act to start coding. Look at this. Act, and now the AI will start developing the full project for you. Even it will ask you to run some commands in the terminal. You just follow up with it, just read, and you have a full prototype in like a couple of minutes. But if you want to get the best out of this extension and this system and this AI development setup, there's something very important to succeed. I'll mention at the end of this video. Very important. And if you don't follow, you will fail even if you learn AI. Now, skill number 3 might surprise you. It's about human communication. And especially today in the AI era, it matters more than ever. Reddit and LinkedIn and Twitter, forums, all these websites and social networks are not just for wasting time scrolling or for marketing, but to understand how people think, how they communicate, to understand different cultures, that helps you build solutions that solves real problems. Dedicate like 10 minutes, 20 minutes every other day to communicate on social media, to communicate really, to engage in real chats, to learn from others, and to spot real problems. And speaking of communities, on our website, we have a free community and a free forum. If you go here to forums on my website, you will find the public free forum. You can ask anything in it. I'll be there almost every day to answer your questions, to engage and chat. I'll be more than happy to see you there. Now the big warning, as I mentioned, if you want to succeed, especially with AI, memorize this rule. Keep it in mind every time you work with AI. Don't rely on AI completely. It is a tool, not a replacement. So always make sure you understand what you are doing when you work with AI. Whether in coding, make sure to learn the basics of coding so you can understand what AI is generating. Whether in writing, understand what AI is generating. Edit it. Deal with AI as an assistant, not a replacement. And the best place to go from here after this video to see the power of AI and learn real world projects with AI is this video here, where I show you and give you 10 AI projects and tools I built to help you understand the power of AI and the importance of AI and help you build real solutions. If you learned something new today, don't forget, smash the like button and see you in the upcoming videos.